Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit a blog article in Zemers.com. First, go to Apps section in your Creator dashboard. Go to Manage or press Edit, and here press Manage App. Now from this place you create your blog post, add the thumbnail, or instead of thumbnail you can use Loom, YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive video to replace that thumbnail. Post article, let's add Post 1 or Article 1, the article slug. You will make sure you're happy with it. The article headline if you want to, the excerpt, and the content is going to be later after you create the post. Make sure you select the visibility if it's public or clients only. If you send it public, it means anyone can access that article. If it's clients only, it means that only people with access can see that article, which means that the blog should be attached to a product and people must buy that product in order to have access to this blog and to this article. Now let's add here the published and create post. Now this is our first article, it's created, but we don't have any content in it. Let's press on this edit article, and here you have the edit content visually. Press it, and now we arrive at the article in the edit mode, and this is what it looks like. You can always press done, and here it's your article. Nobody can see anything right now in your article because you don't have any content. All you have to do, just make sure you're connected in your creator account and press edit content. And here you can add your text and the whole content for this article. First, you must understand the categories. You have the public category and you private category. And you also have the layout category. The public category means that anything that you add in this category is going to be public. So anybody can see and read that part. If you add anything in this private section, it means that only people with access to this article and to this blog can see what's inside. If you press here the add section, you can add multiple texts, can add an image, video, carousel with images or videos, dividers, created by section, table of contents, button, lit capture, and a share button. And this is the same for the private section. Now this is how you can easily edit the article. Just add the text over here. You can also make it full screen so you can see it better. Can add more section like this. For example, can add here a image and save. Then here again you can add another text, and let's say you want to add a lead capture, and here can press on it and change the text. The heading, for example, join my newsletter, and here the body. And also the button can change the button text, join. Now, as you can see, you can easily edit any section from this place. Can also add table of contents, can also move it at the beginning of this article, like this. Here you can also add, for example, a share button. Let's add it first, and if you want, you can align it right or left or center, and also change the text if you want to. And at the bottom, let's add here a text that it's private. Can also add, for example, a video or a carousel with videos. Can multiple videos in this carousel or images. Let's add one image. Let's add another image. Let's press save and move it over here. And let's save changes to see what it looks like, and done. Now you can see what your clients see. Your clients can see this section with the share article. They can see also the table of contents. They can see the images, and they can see this carousel over here. And also, your clients, they will see this section with the unlock icon, so they will know that this was a paid section. If you go here and copy this link and open, for example, the Incognito tab and paste the link, you can see what the visitors see. So the visitors will see this section, and also they will see that this content is available for clients only, and they have to press Unlock Access, and they have to choose the product that has this block attached to it. They have to buy one of these products in order to get access to this piece of content in this article. Now, if you go back here and again, it's easy to edit anything. You can also change the order of these sections. You can also add multiple private or public categories. For example, let's add another private category over here. Let's just copy this text. And now we have a private category, then a public category, then another private category, and save and done. And you can see this is private, this is public, and this is private again. And if you go on Incognito and refresh, you can see the private section, the public, and also the private again. You can also have this layout category. If you press on it, you can see this is a new layout over here with 2 sections on it. Can insert at the end, and this is basically a layout part. And what this layout part does is you can edit whenever you want in any article, and when you change the layout, it will change in all articles. So if I press here, edit, and I can change anything here, the text, the image, I can add, for example, a promotional banner and so on, and press save and done. Everything will be changing, all articles that will have this layout, and this is a nice way to add affiliate links, promotional campaigns, marketing banners, and so on. Press save and done. And now, if I want to go back to this article, I can edit and duplicate this article. I'm going to have a copy. Let's edit it fast again. Make sure it's published, but let's make these clients only and update the post. Now, if I go to my blog, this is what it looks like. This is the copy article, the duplicated part, and it's member exclusive. And this is the public article. This members exclusive article means that only your clients will have access to the whole content. So if I copy this link and I go back to Incognito tab and paste it over here, you can see the article. It's available for clients only, and they have to pay in order to get access. So this is a nice way in Zemers where you can monetize your content the way that you want. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy.